If you own a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 or GLC X253 and want to bring modern technology to your dashboard, then this dual-screen Android multimedia system is definitely worth a look. Designed specifically for Mercedes models from 2016 to 2022, this upgrade combines luxury styling with powerful smart features. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen. With a sharp resolution of 1920 by 720, the display delivers crisp graphics, vibrant colors, and excellent visibility for navigation, multimedia, and vehicle information. Running the system is Android 13 powered by an Octa-core MTK 8667 processor, combined with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This provides smooth multitasking, fast app loading, and plenty of space for your favorite applications and media files. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. You can instantly access Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, Spotify, phone calls, messages, and voice assistants directly from the large display without connecting cables. Connectivity is equally impressive, thanks to 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.1 with aptX audio technology, ensuring stable connections and high-quality wireless sound. Music lovers will appreciate the built-in DTS HiFi sound processing system. With a 48-band equalizer and surround sound adjustments, the system can dramatically improve the listening experience inside the cabin. The multimedia player also supports 4K video playback, a huge range of audio and video formats, and external storage expansion up to 1 TB, making it a complete entertainment solution. For safety and convenience, the system supports rear-view cameras, AHD cameras, and optional 360-degree panoramic camera systems. Best of all, it retains your original Mercedes functions and factory vehicle integration, ensuring a seamless upgrade without losing important features.